Hey GadInsider crew! Tired of cable clutter and juggling multiple chargers for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods? Stick around because the Satechi Qi2 Trio 3-in-1 wireless charger might just be the game changer you need. Welcome back to GadInsider, where we dive into the coolest tech to simplify your life. Today we're talking about the Satechi Qi2 Trio, a sleek, versatile, MagSafe charger that powers up your Apple ecosystem in style. Let's see why this charger is creating all the buzz at setters or your nightstand. So what makes the Satechi Qi2 Trio special? It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse. It charges your iPhone at 15 watt with the latest Qi2 tech. Yep, that's MagSafe level speed with perfect magnetic alignment. Your Apple Watch gets 5 watt fast charging if it's a Series 7 or newer, and your AirPods sip 5 watt of power. All 3 devices charged at once, no cables tangling up your vibe. Plus, it supports standby mode for iOS 17 and nightstand mode for watchOS, turning your iPhone into a futuristic alarm clock. The foldable design is where it shines. Laid flat for travel, or pop up the magnetic arm for a desk-friendly stand. Portrait or landscape, it's your call. Perfect for video calls or binge watching. And those sturdy hinges, built to last. No wobble here. Now, is it perfect? Almost. The USB-C cable could be longer for tricky hotel outlets, and if you've got an iPhone 16 Pro Max and Apple Watch Ultra, it might feel a tad crowded. Whether you're a minimalist, a traveler, or just hate cable chaos, the Satechi Qi2 Trio is a must-have for Apple fans. It's fast, stylish, and keeps your gear organized. I've been using it for weeks, and it's a total desk upgrade. So, what do you think? Ready to ditch the cables and level up your charging game? Grab the Satechi Qi2 Trio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more GadInsider reviews to keep you ahead of the tech curve.